Good morning, class. Today we are going to start reading next chapter. Chapter number is 4 and the name of chapter is Ethics and Safety Measures in Computing. In this chapter we will cover following topics. First is Introduction to Internet, Advantages and Disadvantages of Internet, Computing Ethics, Unethical practices, cybercrime, safety measures while using computer and internet, digital footprint. We will cover these topics one by one. Firstly, we will discuss internet. Internet is one of the largest information databases. It has become a vital part of our life. Internet stands for International Network of Computers. It is a global system of interconnected computer networks that enables users to share information and various resources with each other. So basically, Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that enables users to share information with one another and various resources with each other. It uses common communication standards and interfaces to provide the physical backbone for many interesting applications. So, the interconnected computer networks uses common communication standards and interfaces so as to provide the physical backbone for many interesting applications. Internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the Internet Protocol suite TCP/IP to communicate between networks and devices. It is a network of networks that consist of private, public, academy, business and government networks of local to global scope linked by a broad array of electronics, wireless and optical networking technologies. So basically, Internet is a network of networks that consist of private, public, business, global network, local networks. They all are linked together with the help of electronics, wireless and optical networking technologies so as to share information and resources between them. Tasks that were usually performed through personal interactions such as banking, shopping or communication can now be done online. Now the tasks such as personal interaction that involves personal interactions such as banking, shopping or communications can now be done easily with the help of internet while sitting at your home or at any corner of the world. We can share data and information across the globe instantly. So we can share data as well as information across the globe instantly with the help of internet. So these are the interesting applications that we perform while sitting at our home or at any place with the help of internet. Indeed, internet transformed the world into a smaller and a convenient place to live in. Now we all are being addicted to internet and therefore internet has transformed the world into a smaller and a convenient place to live in, where we can perform banking activities, shopping or even communicate with our relatives or friends who are living far away from us with the help of internet. So world has become smaller with the use of internet. Everything has become easily accessible, easily available within our hands. With the simple click, we can do shopping while sitting at our home. We do not need to travel to the market and then buy a product. We can do the shopping at any hour, at any place of the day, at any hour of the day and at any place of the world. We can do shopping. We can perform banking activities while sitting at our home. We do not need to stand in a long queue while performing any transaction in a bank. we can do it while sitting at our home with just a single click. Today, the buzzword is only internet. The network of internet is getting wider with each passing day. So the network of internet is getting wider, is increasing with each passing day. जैसे जैसे डे पास हो रहा है वैसे वैसे जो नेटवर्क है इंटरनेट का वो और ज़्यादा ग्रो कर रहा है. To analyze how fast the use of internet is growing, pick any newspaper or magazine and carefully observe the advertisements given therein. You would realize that almost every enterprise has its website listed in addition to its address and telephone numbers. Every organization has now making its presence felt on the internet. Now, the internet has growing day by day. To analyze how fast the use of internet is growing, you can view or pick any newspaper or a magazine and carefully observe all the advertisements that are given therein. You would realize that almost every enterprise has its website that is listed along with its address and telephone number. So every organization is making its presence felt on the internet. So every organization nowadays has its website. That means user can buy and even sell the products while sitting at their home with the use of that website. They do not need to travel to that particular organization. So every organization nowadays wants to flourish, wants to grow. So there a requirement that is must for flourishment nowadays is internet. So you have to create a website of your organization on the internet to make the world realize that your company is in this place of the world. These are the special features of your company, products that you are offering, services that you are providing. All these things they can view while sitting at their home. Internet is a boon to the world. Almost every aspect of our life is touched by internet. Interestingly, internet provides 24/7 services. Nowadays, internet has become a boon to our world. Almost every aspect of our life is being touched by internet. Shopping, banking, communication, these all activities are now being done online with the help of internet. Now next is advantages of internet. First is education. Internet has changed the traditional learning system. It is widely used for educational purposes by scholars, students and teachers to learn anytime and anywhere. So, internet has changed the traditional learning system. Internet is widely used for educational purposes by the teachers, students, scholars to learn anytime and anywhere. It has shown a dramatic impact on higher education as more and more universities nowadays offer online courses. One such university is IGNOU, which offers this facility. Which facility? The facility of online courses. Internet is a storehouse of information and is also used to publish papers and articles. You can search information on any topic, on any of any subject while sitting at your home, any time and anywhere. There is no time constraint that you need to do the learning between that particular time. You are free to do learning or you can do searching work at any time of the day. Next is convenient mode of communication. Internet is a convenient and economical mode of communication. Users can communicate with each other using the facilities that are being provided on internet such as email, chatting, video conferencing, instant messenger as well. We are using all these facilities to communicate, to chat with our friends or relatives who are living far away from us. Next is business. The internet has brought new opportunities for businesses to offer goods and services online, which is proved to be beneficial. So the customer can view the product and purchase the product while sitting at their home. They do not need to travel to the market. Meetings can be conducted inexpensively through the video conferencing facility without physically visiting the place. So meeting can also be conducted inexpensively because we can use the feature video conferencing. Through this facility, the persons who are attending the meeting do not need to physically visit the place where the meeting is being held. They can conduct the meeting while sitting at their home, while sitting at the office with the help of video conferencing facility. So fuel will be saved, time will be saved, that particular time will be used for some another productive work. Financial transactions can be made online from the office or home, and financial transaction can also be conducted at your home or at your offices. You do not need to stand in a long queue while waiting for your turn in a bank. E-commerce. It is the concept used for any commercial or business deal that involves transfer of information across the globe by using the internet. Nowadays, many companies have their own portals or website. Portals is a website that lists companies selling a particular type of product which are used for e-commerce. So nowadays many companies are having their own portals or websites that provide the information about the product that they are offering for the customers, the services that are being provided. So customer can view that website and buy the product while sitting at their home. E-commerce industry has become one of the biggest industries in the world. We now purchase every possible goods and get services from different shopping portals around the world. So with the help of e-commerce facility, we can purchase every good and get service from different shopping portals around the world. It also includes booking tickets for bus, flight, train and hotel room. We can even book tickets while sitting at our home for flight, for bus ticket, for trains and even the hotel rooms. Next is media and entertainment. Internet adds value to media and entertainment. Downloading games, videos, songs, visiting chat rooms or surfing the web are some of the uses that attract people towards the internet. Internet also provides the facility to read different newspapers, magazines and books online. So internet add value to the media and entertainment. We can download game, video, song. We can visit any chat room and start chatting with our friends. We can surf the web. These all are the uses of the internet that attract people toward the use of internet. Internet also provide the facility to read different type of newspaper and books, magazines online. You do not need to purchase that book or magazine to read that. You can view it online and read it as well. Social networking. It is the latest way to communicate. It offers a platform where an individual can connect with friends and strangers on the basis of shared interest or views. Some examples of social networking sites are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, MySpace, etc. So social networking, this is the latest way that people use to communicate with their friends or even strangers who share the same interest or same views. Some of the social networking sites that we are using nowadays are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and MySpace. Forum. In internet, forum is an online discussion site where like-minded people can hold conversations in the form of posted messages. So forum is basically an online discussion site where like-minded people who share the same interest, they can hold conversation, they can start conversation in the form of posted messages with one another. Health and fitness. Internet is now playing a healthy role in providing extensive information on health and fitness. So internet also provide information about health and fitness using various medical sites. One can read about various diseases, their cures and precautionary measures. So with the help of medical website, we can read information about any disease, the cures of that particular disease and the measure that should be taken so as to protect ourselves from the particular disease. So all these are the advantages of internet that has been a boon to the world. We are very much addicted to the use of internet nowadays.